If we want to be able to drill up and down in the data to see how members are related to each other, we can create parent-child or level-based hierarchies both when we're acquiring the data and directly in the model. Parent-child hierarchies create a simple hierarchy between two dimensions, while level-based hierarchies can contain multiple dimensions and support more complex drilling options. Note that only one type of hierarchy can be used in the same model. In this example, the state, region, and city for our customer records are stored in separate columns that we want to link together. We'll use the Control key to select multiple dimensions at the same time. We can access the Hierarchy Builder from the toolbar. Here we can create, copy, and delete hierarchies. Because we started by selecting dimensions, the system assessed the relationships between the dimensions and automatically created a level-based hierarchy for those selections. The name of the new hierarchy is based on the lowest level. We can change this name if we want, and also click and drag to reorder the dimensions. Be aware that if we select the Generate 100% Unique Bottom Level for My Hierarchy option, the system will concatenate the values for all the dimensions included in the hierarchy, separated by hyphens, and use those combined values for the dimension at the lowest level of the hierarchy. This guarantees that the values will be unique. In this example, we know that the values are already unique. The system tells us that the dimensions that make up the top levels of the hierarchy will be changed to properties of the dimension at the bottom level. Note that the icon for the location dimension changes to indicate it's the root of a hierarchy, while the icons for the state and region dimensions change to properties. The details of the hierarchy are displayed here, where we can edit or delete the configuration. For details on how to further enrich and finish generating the model, refer to the videos on the relevant modeling topics. Once the model has been created, if we select the location dimension, we can edit the hierarchy configuration here. If we view the members of the dimension in the grid, we can also see that the members for the state and region dimensions in the hierarchy have been added as additional columns. If required, we can also create a level-based hierarchy manually. Here, the product category and product dimensions have been created as separate dimensions, but they should be levels in a hierarchy. When we created the level-based hierarchy during data acquisition, the higher levels were converted to properties. Here, the higher level, product category, is already a dimension, so it can't automatically be converted to a property. As a result, the option is disabled. To address this, we need to add a new property to the product dimension for the product category values. Now we can add a level-based hierarchy to the dimension, which opens the Hierarchy Builder, where we can create a new hierarchy, and choose the new property for the higher level. Note that the ID for the product dimension is automatically selected as the lowest level of the hierarchy. Finally, we'll populate the new column with the appropriate product category values. When we look at the hierarchy again, we can see that the values are now included. Finally, we'll save our changes. In a story based on the model, the hierarchies are indicated with this icon. We can expand the trees to select one of the higher levels of the hierarchy only, or select the root to choose the whole hierarchy. In the chart, we can select a member to drill up and down, or expand or collapse the level, or use the icon in the chart details to open specific levels. We can also use the Include Parent Levels option to show the higher levels at the same time. Thanks for watching.